Hi everybody, today I'm going to be teaching how to make a paper airplane. You'll need to gather your materials, which will just be a piece of paper. I have a white piece of computer paper, but you can grab any color, pattern, or whatever you choose. And you're going to start by folding it in half the long way. So once you complete that, it'll look something like this. And then you're going to unfold it and take these top two corners and fold them over to meet on the middle line. Once you complete that, you'll have a point at the top, and you're going to fold the point so it's facing down. It should look like this once you finish it, with the point facing towards the bottom of the paper now. And you're going to take these top two corners and fold them in to about here, so there's still a little bit of the top left. These points should be meeting on the middle line with a little bit of excess right here for a little triangle. And you're going to take this and fold it over to keep the flaps in place. Should look something like this, with this holding them in place. And then you're going to take your paper and fold it in half this way. Here's where it should start to look more like a paper airplane. So you have the flaps on the outside with the little triangle holding it down. And then what you want to do to create the wings, you want to fold them over so this slant meets the bottom. Then you want to squeeze it so your wings stay in place. And then you're going to undo them a little bit, so then it makes your paper airplane. And as previously mentioned, you can use any paper color and it should fly. I don't know how it'll do in windy conditions, but this is it.